Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about SSUPD Meshroom S ITX case. So friend, the SSUPD, the brand of Lian-Li, has introducing an all new Meshroom S ITX case designed for gamers, content creators and casual use, and friends, sleek and refined. The all-new Meshroom ITX PC case lineup hits the shelves with two exciting new design and Meshroom S and Meshroom D with a build capacity of 14.93 liter and 14.97 liter respectively, and for its unique features and functionality designed with utility and form factor in mind and capable of supporting microATX and full-size ATX motherboard. And the Meshroom is an engineered masterpiece with extremely high customizable for users. And friend, you can install full-size graphics card at 336 mm or 332 mm max, and depending on the motherboard layout, and it has an additional fan bracket that enable dual radiator mounting capability and three optional ports to mount the water pumps, allowing users to design their custom liquid cooling loop. And it carries excellent versatility, customizability and exceptional cooling with optimized airflow. And it has significant feature implemented into its design, paying close to attention to consumers' need. And it will be available in fossil grey, sag green and peacock blue for pre-order, and starting price is $159.99 So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.